The stock market just recorded one of its best returns from May through August in over 10 years. But is this going to continue? Find out more from world champion trader Kevin McCormick. As I predicted, we just completed the second best May through August return in the market in over 10 years with a return of 11.75%. This was a great rally and we're having a great year in the market, but is the rally going to continue? Should we be looking to sell in September as I recommended 4 months ago? Let's take a closer look by diving into the charts. Let's start off by taking a look at the seasonal charts. These aren't an exact science, but they are very good when they are working at predicting when we have turning points in the market. And this year, the seasonal pattern has been holding up very well. We started the year off a few moves higher, and then we had the tariff tantrum sell-off. It came a few weeks later than the seasonal pattern would call for, but then we started our rally as predicted by the seasonal pattern. And now we are right here. As I'm recording this for the first week of September, this is where the market typically starts to have its last little rally, even possibly turnover, and then the seasonal pattern calls for us to decline into mid-October. But as we just highlighted, we had an unbelievable return for the April through August, May through August period. So does that mean this rally should continue, or does this actually mean the exact opposite? Let's take a look on the DeMark indicators. So right here, what we're looking at here is a monthly chart of the S&P 500. The blue lines are what I'm highlighting as those past 10-year periods where we had great returns. 2018 was a 9.75% return. 2020 was that huge over 20% return. And then in 2023, we had a little bit over an 8% return from May through August. I think some of you can already tell what I'm going to tell you here is you can see on these charts that when we had these great returns before, September and October were both not good months. When we have a strong August heading into September, September is more likely to be a down month in the market than it is when we have a flat to down August. So I'm not predicting that we're going to have a huge market sell-off and we're going to start a bear market. No. I believe that we're in a bull market, but we are going to have some digestion occurring for September and October periods. We had the combo 13 highlighting buying exhaustion hit in July. And so, these things can take some time, as we saw with this sequential 13 that hit in December, and then we had the big decline. So my advice to everybody out there is be looking for the rally to pause, possibly go down in the month of September and October. This is going to be an excellent buying opportunity. If you've seen some of my other recent videos about selling my position in Marvell, I am adding some dry powder so that I can buy what I believe is going to be an upcoming dip in the market over the next 2 months. But it's going to be a great opportunity to buy and ride this new bull market higher into the future. As always, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.